performance, and for the Haitian side,
looking for Nazon. Falls kindly here, and that's a venomous strike coming in.
Standing and good movements off of one another.
Here comes Haiti again. Nazon kind of picked off of his foot. Here's an effort at the top of the area that just skirts wide. Providence on the corner as Nazon tried to help it along, and that would have been too many touches. Now Nazon tried to flick it along, gets it back, and sends it wide. There's a lot to break down in that sequence, but it ends in a goal.
Good movement.
Pierre over the top for Franzi Pierrot. This is going to be close. Pierrot finishes it off, but the offside flag is up. Here's Duckins Nazon, and spilled by Marvin Phillip initially, and Franzi Pierrot was there, but the 40-year-old
with the ball, running off the ball, cohesion in how you attack and defend. Oh, good turn.
Great little dummy from Levi Garcia. He's taken down. This is going to be a card. It's a matter of what. And it is red. And there's not much protest from Jean-Kevin Duverne. He towards the byline. Got the cross away. There's Pierrot. And it's a 10-man Haiti who draw first blood. Time.
Tell me.
Seems like it's Haiti. Meanwhile, Tyrese Spicer with a positive first touch, trying to get in on goal. It's Spicer, and it's off the post. Whipped in towards the back stick, and it's in. Trinidad and Tobago draw level, and it's Garcia. Push that line for another substitute, and Dènye. Trying to find the overlapping run. Challenge, was it inside the pen? Go-ahead goal. Moldy Prunier sends it over the bar. Circling back around is Gill, looking for an avenue to pull the trigger. It looked like he got taken down. There's no call from the referee, and now a 3-on-2 going the other way. Pogan feeds it across. Prunier still staying with it, still loose. Opportunity for Haiti in a last-minute challenge. And eventually cleared away by Garcia. And now Trinidad the other way. Both sides want all 3 points. Who has the quality? Gill still with it and sends it over everything.